Are you looking for the best freezer containers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best freezer containers. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Spare Essentials 55-piece freezer containers. These containers come with cardboard lids, which altogether are capable of preserving your food for longer from bacteria and moisture. Thanks to their disposability, you can bake, cook, and reheat any types of foods with no tiring cleanup. They're also great vehicles to share delicious meals with your friends without the need for them to return an empty container. If you're running a restaurant, these pans will keep your customers' orders safe and fresh for delivery. Lastly, each container holds a maximum of 2.25 pounds, so you don't have to fret over the leftovers after a massive potluck or party. Simply pop those remaining salads, casseroles, and tortillas chips in the pan. Cover it up neatly with a lid and stash it in the fridge for eating at a later time. Moving on at number 4. We have the Comfy Package Deli Food Storage Freezer Containers. Are you a busy person who prefers compact and efficient food storage to bring your go-to lunches to work? If yes, these plastic deli containers might just be the best selection to fulfill all your needs. They're especially lightweight, durable, and easy to carry around in places with ease. The 24 pieces are produced out of BPA-free plastic and safe to use in the dishwasher or microwave, making them ideal utensils for home cooks who love a simple cooking routine. Also, the airtight overlapping lids can lock in the full flavor and freshness of your meals properly. The transparent design lets you tell exactly the contents inside of each container without opening them up. On the downside, these plastic storages are crafted to be disposable. With a tendency to break down, crack, or get stained over time, they're the better choice for short-term purposes. At number 3, we have the BAYCO 8-pack glass meal prep freezer containers. Meal prepping is a beneficial strategy for a hectic schedule and healthy dishes, like those recipes for Whole30 meal prep. It is also quite simple to implement as long as you have some high-quality food storage at your disposal. And these glass containers from BAYCO are perfectly airtight, durable, and super versatile to get you instant meals anytime in your weekly grind. Featuring 8 glass containers, each with a 30-ounce capacity, this set can be used to store any kind of foods, from dry rice to liquids like juices or soup. Since they withstand temperatures up to 752 F, they can go from the fridge to the oven, saving you some time drying up another dish. Additionally, the lids are specifically designed to prevent spillage and leakage, thereby keeping your pantry always clean. Though the entire set is dishwasher safe, it's recommended that you hand wash the lids to maintain the silicone sealing strip states for long-term use. At number 2, we have the Rubbermaid 1,806,231 Sandwich Kit Freezer Containers. If you're looking for some low-cost and handy lunchboxes without compromising on the quality, these Rubbermaid containers are definitely worth a try. The kit comprises 4 containers of different sizes and a blue ice pack, which altogether fit neatly into most top-notch meal prep bags or lunch bags that you can easily buy on the market. With this nifty little kit, make-ahead lunches are easy as a pie. The large sandwich container fits regular bread, while the 2 snack compartments are perfect for fruits, yogurt, and nuts. Also, the side container lets you diversify the menu with some simple side dishes like salads or chips. Besides, these compartments are made of BPA-free plastic, which means you can rest assured that no toxic can leach into your kids' daily meals. And the special blue ice pack that comes along in the set will keep the foods fresh and chilled until serving time. And finally at number 1, we have the Prep Naturals Glass Meal Prep Freezer Containers. Whether you're planning for a healthy diet or looking for convenient and space-saving food storages, chances are this set of 5 Prep Naturals freezer containers is your best fit. With the leak-proof locking lids, you have the flexibility to use it at home and bring it to work or school. So whether you are unsure about freezing your favorite baked bean, cheese, cake, etc., investing in a set of freezer storage is the first thing that should occur to your mind. The containers are made of sturdy borosilicate glass to stand the test of time. They're also oven and dishwasher safe, so you can easily warm up your leftovers and make a variety of baked goods straight on these versatile tools. Once the cooking is done, simply toss them in the dishwasher for effortless cleanup. Finally, their stackability will free up a bunch of space in your fridge and pantry. Thus, you have more room to make a week's worth of lunches and get your food fresh all the time. The 30-ounce capacity is also ideal for helping you serve the right portion without much guesswork. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.